like the thumbnail says, something happened. For some reason, these sleds get over 400 or 500 miles and they can't seem to make their top RPM anymore, and I don't know what's going on. Lots of people have tried spark plug caps and that kind of stuff, and that might work. I haven't tried it yet. Let me know if what you guys have found. But anyways, what I did was same thing as last year. I put lighter clutch weights in it, and it got it closer, but it's still sort of inconsistent. Some people are saying the belt gets bad, like starts to break down, but I don't really want to be having to change belts every 500 miles. I did try that on my last sled, and it got better for maybe 100 miles, and then it was right back to doing what it was doing before. So I'm not really sure, but anyways, let me know if somebody's tried something and it's worked for, you know, multiple miles type thing. For now, I'll just keep using the lighter clutch weights, I guess. The other thing that's happened is it's developed sort of a stutter when you just tip into the throttle. It's like somebody's hitting the kill switch and turning it back on real quick. You don't notice it like regular trail condition, but if you're going slow around a corner or whatever, you coast to a stop. It's very weird. Anyways, kind of a gray haze today. It's nice in the trees. Nice little step down here. Stay tight to the inside. I smell like, I think I smell two-stroke oil or something. Somebody might be up ahead of us. Yeah, it's getting heavier. Little switchback. Oh yeah, there's somebody. Yeah, like, can you hear that stutter? That's what I'm just tipping in on the throttle. It's very weird. Feels like throttle safety switch, but I'm not sure. I'll just hang back. I don't want to freak these guys out, or this guy out. Yeah, if you've got a little pressure on the throttle, it doesn't do it. But as soon as you just let off slightly, Yeah, it's pretty annoying when you're going slow. Very strange. Changed the plugs. Still doing weird stuff. Seems a little lazy. Yeah. Soon as you start backing off the throttle. Trails are in really nice shape. Shout out to Nakem Snow Blasters. anyways, that's a wrap for this video. Like I said, if you got any suggestions on how to hit the RPM the thing's supposed to be hitting, or even this misfire, I don't know, let me know. Thanks for watching.